evening. All right, so today we are at a underground, I wouldn't say underground, but parking garage in Tokyo, and there's a ton of cars here tonight. It's a big meet called Street Legal, and they're the ones hosting this event, or this car meet rather. And so I'm actually here with my nephew, so I'm going to start from here and then walk my way down and then see what kind of cars are here tonight. There's a lot of cars here that I think we're at Daikoku, which Daikoku did just get shut down. So let's go through here and just walk and check out the vibe. I like it too because it's like pretty cold out tonight, but in here it's warm. Ooh, I really like this. This is nice. Got the B10 out tonight, next to the Time Attack cars. Really good looking Mark III. Damn. Bro, wagons are so sick. If you've never seen a wagon before, like if you saw this driving on the road from behind, you would think it's like some regular family car, sedan, until this thing just like pulls on you, and it's really cool. BBSs, and these BBSs are nasty. So good. And then you have a normal MR8. So good. Oh, I want an Evil so bad. Can't really see the color, but you see the way this looks? That's wild. I mean, everything was going smooth, but the cops did come in. They're not doing anything. They're just, just chilling, checking out people. But there was like one or two guys that kind of started revving up a little bit, and you know what happens after that. So, but yeah, it's a nice little quiet night. I think it was pretty cool, and just really went out to drive for a little bit because I haven't driven the P10 in like, I feel like it was not that long, but it was like a month went by already. I haven't driven it. So I'm always happy to drive the P10 going out. And then, like I said, I took my nephew with me so that we can go for a little drive tonight. And there's still a ton of cars, not so much in here, but there's a ton of cars outside actually, because the police blocked the entrance to this mall and no one can get in. So now everyone is like outside, which is crazy. So yeah, I don't know. I might go to a different spot and just probably end the night there. But yeah, just kind of just checking out the vibe. So as always, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Peace. This thing is nice.